Hello guys, I'm gonna be reacting to Dan Robinson videos. Yeah, I know it's a freaking Saturday, okay? I should be doing this, but okay, I know. But okay, let's watch this one. Okay. Twist Ring twist. That's the Chevrolet Cobalt right there. But Charles versus Henderson. Just don't ask what happened to him. Only left. Okay. First twister. Okay. RENO Tornado. It's pretty crazy that he survived one of the biggest wedge tornadoes ever. Like, that's legendary. Did you see that window spring? Okay. Okay, so we in right. Okay, Dan Robinson. So, to just let you know that this is Dan Robinson's car right here. That was Dan Robinson's car after the tornado. You're probably wondering why his rear window broke. It's because the rear dash cam actually caught it broken. It could have been that. Okay, that's okay. Two in right. I'm recording this in the morning to chase that, you know. Oh, yeah. Twist that. Nope. The power of that Robinson. Legendary. My God. That's the dash cam that he was driving to. May 4th, 2007. Yeah, 2007. Yeah, the reason I'm yawning is because I'm recording this in the middle of the morning. That's Dan right over there. a black car, not a white car. Maybe a little bit. Got blown away. Impacted. Just Henderson. I respect everyone that crashed their car. I respect every single one. Oh, like, who was respecting Dan Robinson? Like, I didn't respect Twistex and Dan Robinson too. He had it in a ditch, a flipping ditch, and the state of it, Well, that's all going to be for today's video. Yeah. See you guys later in another video. Just don't mind that. That's just one of my subscribers. But now if you subscribe, I'll subscribe back to you. Peace.